To transcribe audio files using your Microsoft Word document, follow these steps. Under the Home tab, locate this icon, Dictate. Click on this down arrow here. From these two options, click on Transcribe. Then, this pane will open on the right side of the document. Here, first of all, choose from here the language of the audio file to transcribe. Then click Upload Audio. Locate the audio file in your system and click Open. OK, now it has started transcribing. This may take a couple of minutes. Please note that this feature is available only with Office 365 subscription. OK, now the transcription has been completed. Now, to insert the audio text to your document, click here, Add to Document. Once you click here, you can find here 4 options: to insert the text only, to insert the text with the speakers, the text with timestamp, and the text with both the speakers and timestamp. Click the mode you want to insert. OK, now it is ready. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching this video by TechBee.